Hey there, welcome back to section 5, and in this section I will show you how you can host your own game on your free github.io page. So first you need to just go to GitHub downloaded space. So just type in this download and install Git on your specific operating system. I am working on Windows, so this is Windows for me. So if I go to the downloads page, there are different operating system options. So you just click on this if you are on Windows, and if you are on Linux or Mac, you can just do it by clicking on these. So when you have installed Git, then if you are on Windows, then you will have something called a git bash. So this is a bash shell simply, and if you are on Linux or Mac, you don't need this. You can directly call all the git commands from your terminal. Now inside of this, let's just go to desktop, and let me create a new folder on desktop. So mkdir let's just call it website, and let's go inside of that website. Okay, so I'll just minimize it as of now. And now if you come to this link, which is called pages.github.com, so they have a comprehensive guide on how you can host your own GitHub page for free. Now they have, so let's just go through it step by step. So the first step is head over to GitHub, create a new repository named username.github.io, where username is your username, right? So if you don't have a GitHub account, create one. Just come to my profile, or I mean your profile, and then go to repositories, create a new repository, and they have told us to name it like this, username.github.io. Now my username is Bijoyan, so I'll paste here bijoyan.github.io, and I'll keep all of this blank, and I'll create the repository. Next, let's see. So we have this repository, right? So next they're asking us that what Git client are we using? Well, you are using simply a terminal. So next, clone the repository, and this is some sort of a link, and we have this link over here, right? So we can just copy this link, this HTTPS link, we can just copy it. Now head back to this git bash and type in here git clone, and just paste this link, and let's enter. So it's cloning that same repository into that folder, right? So now let's get into that repository. So it would be right. So now we are inside of this repository. Now let's see what they're saying. Okay, now initialize this whole repository, right, with an index.html file. So this index.html file is the default file. So whenever you open your username.github.io, then everything that's inside this index.html file will be shown. So if I go to my existing GitHub.io page, then this is my index.html file, right? So here I have kind of used a template, so you can do it on yourself as well. So this is going to be the first page of your github.io website. Okay, so let's initialize this. So we will write here echo hello world, and type in here index.html and press enter. And after we are done, if you just go to that website, and inside that is bijoyan.github.io. So here we have an index.html, right? So if I open this, so there is this simple hello world written, right? So now we want to change this, right? We don't want this hello world over here, we want some kind of a game over here. So what I'm going to do now is I will bring one game. So here I have this JavaScript game repository. Inside of this, let's upload the snake game, right? So I'll use Notepad++ to open it, and I will copy everything from here. I'll just go back to website, and this I'll remove everything and paste that. So I just changed that, right? So I removed that hello world and I pasted everything that was inside the snake game, right? So this index file is now nothing but our snake game. So if we open it, this is our snake game, right? The same game that we built. Now what we want is we want to upload this snake game on our GitHub.io page. So let's do it. So next, they have asked us to push that, right? So first we have to add every changes, we need to commit the changes, and then we have to push everything to GitHub. So let's do it. So first we will add everything. So you can add this -- all, or you can simply use a dot over here. So we have added everything to the staging area of Git, and now we will commit all changes. This -m means you are providing some kind of a message, and this is the message, right? What you are committing, right? What changes you are saving. So initially it would be initial commit. Next we will push everything. Now it will ask us for our GitHub username. So for me it is Vijayan, and now it will also ask me for my password. That's it. I press OK, and well, it is uploaded, right? And that's it. So if you now head over to username.github.io, you will be able to see your website. So let's see whether we can see our website. I'll change this username with Vijayan. I'll press enter. Here we have our snake game, right? So this is our website and this is our game. So you know what, I won't really delete this GitHub account, so I will let you open this GitHub account, this vijayan.github.io page, and play this snake game whenever you want. So this is the way by which you can host your built games and show it off to your friends. So that's it. I believe this is the part when we say goodbye. I hope you enjoyed this whole course, and if you have any kind of questions, then don't forget to raise one. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And I had lots of fun teaching you all this cool stuff. And in future, if I have any other plans, then I'll just add some kind of a reminder to this course, so all of you guys will be able to know whether I'm coming up with some new course and all that. So you'll get to know everything. So just enjoy creating games and host your games, and you can also share the links of your games in the course page itself. I will see each and every game and I will comment you back whether your game is good or not. Obviously you would build better games than me, right? I just copied some old heritage games. So that's it. Have fun. Goodbye. And I will see you next time.